Wow, now those are some flamboyant flowers. This tree really lives up to its name, and I want to grow the seeds. Step number 1. Obtain the seeds. You can, of course, purchase the seeds online, but hopefully there is a flowering tree nearby, and you can gently knock down one of the large, dangling, mature seed pods. The pods can be quite long. The one I got is about 18 inches, 46 centimeters long. Split open the pod, and you will see all the hard brown seeds. I got more than 30 seeds from one pod. Step number 2. Scarify the seeds. The seed shells are quite hard, so you need to help the moisture get inside them. To do this, we need to remove or cut off a bit of the seed hull. Find the end of the seed with the little pigtail on it. That's the end you want to scarify. If you don't have a little pigtail-like structure, find the end that is a bit bumpy rather than smooth. If you're not sure, just make sure you scarify at least one end of the seed. Probably the safest method is to use sandpaper. Rub the end of the seed on the sandpaper until you just start to see the white seed inside. Be careful not to damage the seeds. Here are my scarified seeds. Step number 3. Soak the seeds. Soak the scarified seeds in room temperature water for about 5 hours. It was my experience that you do not need to soak them any longer than that. Step number 4. Germinate the seeds. Use the moist paper towel method to germinate the seeds. You can place them in an airtight, watertight, light-proof box like the one shown here, or you can choose an airtight Ziploc baggie. It doesn't matter. Place your seeds out of direct sunlight in a darkened or shadowed area where you can maintain a temperature of 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 24 degrees Celsius, and of course, warmer is better. Step number 5. Plant germinated seeds. Here are the seeds after only 3 days. That's right, only 3 days. In the sealed box, 4 out of the 5 germinated, and one looks like it might be germinating. Incredible! And here's the small Ziploc bag. All 5 seeds have germinated. Wow, they germinate quickly and easily. For purposes of this video, I am planting 5 seeds per container. I have pre-moistened the soil and am placing the seeds on top. Cover the seeds with a thin layer of soil and moisten again. If you wish, you can place your container in a clear bag of some sort to help maintain soil moisture and a high humidity level. Step number 6. Admire your seedlings. It's been only 5 days since I planted the sprouts in soil. In this container, 3 of the 5 sprouts have broken through the soil. And in this container, all 5 of the sprouts are growing, an 80% success rate. This method definitely works great. So it was my experience that not only are these trees flamboyant bloomers, but they're flamboyant germinators as well. Please support my channel by leaving a comment, ticking that like button, and of course, subscribing. Happy seed growing, everyone. Click on the playlist tab for videos grouped by subject. See ya!